in the society today. Destinies is being sabotaged, all because of drug abuse today. Peer pressure, poverty, frustration has pushed people into drug abuse. Peer pressure, poverty, frustration has pushed people into drug abuse. Less than fair to fight against drug abuse. Less than
So now I go arrange the sound, the transportation to carry everybody go the party. You understand? Everything will be set. Make everybody play in part. Everything will be set.
Chop knuckle, you there.
Give me high five. I swear you na my guy.
Light up.
I wanna talk like this.
This party go happen. Now we go run now. What the mad? Hey, now we dey run this.
No fuck up.
Okay,
I know I fuck up.
where's my guy something? Open your door. You open your
Open up.
Open our most. See soon.
No, nah, guys.
See as ref no don't finish or
I beg. You two, you know they forget that.
See, Kola, I came to tell you guys, I'm done with this shit. I'm not doing this video.
You're done with what?
I'm done with this shit.
What did you call this? Shit.
I'm done. All I know is that I'm done.
You know how much you buy this thing? You know how much this Nalozana be? You know how much it be?
See, Amy, better take your time. You know, say ever since you didn't time, but better take your time. Kola, I want this guy.
See, when I calm down. Wait, I don't understand.
See, my mom caught me and it made her cry. No get.
See, you see my problem.
No get. It's a normal thing for you to offend your mom. And you apologize. And that is all. Everything is done. Yes, I know I'm guilty and I think I want an apology.
Who stop you? If you apologize, if you fuck your mother.
Guys, still, not to stop me.
Hey,
All I want is guy.
Hey, wait. Hey, wanna stop?
Stop.
Moya Joe.
Stop. Leave me.
See this guy, I go tell you for.
Give me a big gun. Hey, Jeff. I'll stop for you.
I no get joy. May just let me tell him, I no get joy.
See, Kola, seriously, I'm done. I'm not doing this any longer again. I'm done.
See, Jeff, let me tell you something. This is a cult. Whether you like it or not, you are in.
See, I don't know. Is it that we end this now, guys? Me, I don't want any problem.
Ross, we die here together. No, they go anywhere. We die here together.
I'm not me and you. Don't even think I'm not me and you. Serious, no, yeah. I'm not doing that with you. I'm done with anything concerning drugs again.
I don't tell you, we die here. We die together. You know they
not me and you, Emmy. Not me and you. Anything drugs,
maybe
my hand is not in again.
Tell him.
My hand is not in.
So now, Jeff, what are you trying to say?
All I'm trying to say is that I have a future. I can't go and spoil the community, my parents, and disappoint them. I'm in the day of tomorrow, same as you. We should end this now. You no get, guy.
So now we no get future. Now we no get future. Shey dey hear am ba? I go enter this guy, yo.
So we don't have future. We are not leaders of tomorrow, Abi.
All I'm saying is that we should end this right now. This is not right. You say if you know, guy, you know.
I don't know.
See, Kola, if you guys are not doing, see, me, I'm done. That's why I'm done.
You are waiting. Allow me to enter this guy now. Allow me to enter this guy.
Don't worry. He knows where to find us. When his mind is strong.
See as this boy just bought you.
Where's the surprise?
Close your eyes, stop.
Okay. Exactly.
You can open it.
Maureen, isn't this marijuana you're holding?
So, what's wrong with it? Stop asking silly questions and let me just light it for you.
Disappointed in you, Molly.
Come on. You should smoke this like other real guys, just like my ex-boyfriend.
You know what? This relationship is over.
What are you talking about?
I said this relationship is over.
Are you serious? No, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
Oh.
Honestly.
See, this thing what they sell for now, ma begin dey let una know now. The price don't go up. You see this Arizona, the price don't go up. So from today, I know they sell credit again. Una go dey pay for this thing here. Now, don't be selling anything. And if I sell and give una, Mona enter bush go smoke am.
We are not going to any place to smoke.
No, they do like
We
that.
must more at this place.
Why una go
Yeah.
smoke am for here?
Here we are telling you,
Eh?
we will finish am.
Yeah.
Now here we start and now
Of
here we
course, that is
finish am.
bad.
Na bush una go smoke.
Ah,
No be bush.
us.
Oh, make them cash una. Na
Eh.
here they supposed cash una. The money for yesterday, I dey collect am now. Now like this. Una come give my money.
But what are you trying to do?
Come give me my money.
Leave me now.
No,
Leave me. Go
my
sit
money
down.
na now.
No, sit down.
I know
Actually, sir, you see, it is important to bring it to the notice of a parent of the happening in the life of the child.
That's why I love this school. Very swift with information.
Thank you, sir. Well, sir, you see, there has been an unfortunate happening, especially in the life of your child, and I don't know. It's so sad that I don't know how to break the news. Please, nurse.
Your daughter has been acting strangely.
Strangely.
That's
weird.
Very weird.
Yeah. We ran some tests on her. And here's the outcome.
What does it say? Darling. Darling. Let me have that. You've got to be kidding, yeah? What is this?
Please, ma, you need to calm down.
No, I mean you stand over there in whatever it is that you are putting on and you dare accuse my baby of being pregnant. And you also stated that she's been involved with drugs.
Now, like I said, we took some tests on her, and that's the result.
Will you shut up? How can you accuse this innocent looking girl of being pregnant?
Yeah, sorry, ma.
Does she look like someone who takes drugs?
Girl, are you pregnant?
Of course not, ma. I'm not.
Sure. Do you feel different? Do you feel...
Very fine, Mom.
So what are you saying? What hospital conducted these tests?
We ran the tests here in school.
In the school. And how much do we pay you guys? Honey?
So, Mom, you mean I pay you all this sum just to get this, and you're sorry? I think we will. Let me have it. I think we will Take this. Don't forget it, and you will hear from us very soon.
Sir, you see, this unfortunate event is not it's not planned. We are really sorry about everything.
Sorry.
You see, we try our best to inculcate the best of morals into these children.
One more word from you. Do I need to remind you that I am a very good lawyer and I never lose a case?
But meanwhile, I and my family will be taking our leave. Okay?
Sir, we are very sorry. We are so sorry, man.
Ma!
Are you still standing there?
Please. Please. Come here, baby. Come here. Come here. Cute girl accused my baby of being pregnant.
I am a chartered accountant. I have a name to protect, an integrity to uphold. And you bring this to my house. Ah. Well, I have resolved that you will go back to the village.
What? Pain. You don't mean that. I'm sorry. Please don't take him to the beach. I promise I'll amend. Don't do this to me, please.
How can I give you everything?
I'm so sorry.
I loved you. No, I did to you.
Baby, you can walk something out. Please talk to me.
How can I be about it? How can I be about it? I loved you.
Do something about it. Please. I gotta do something about it. I can't go to the village. I will come and beg. Please talk to me. Beg this to me. This is my baby, my child. You can't take her to the village. Why? Why?
You know I love her too, right?
What do you want to achieve?
But at this point, I'm afraid she has to go back.
No, baby. Baby, please.
Come.
She's not going. You cannot take my baby from me. She's not
Sorry, you have to go.
She's not going.
Daddy loves you. Daddy loves you. You have to go. I'm sorry, my love. She has to go. I can't.
We can work something out. We can work something out. She just needs to go.
Wajen wuya na ga wani ana kan yarinyar nan kawai na ga sai wani mu da yarinyar nan da ke ne haka yi ne.
Yawan sare ne hankali.
Sai a samu matsala ya ne kai ka sani kai kuma kai ne shi yawa ne a yi.
Amma kai ɗaya ne hankali ne ina tare da mama na me zan yi da wannan yarinyar kana gaya mun ni kake gaya mun wannan maganan ni kake gaya mun wannan maganan ni kake gaya mun wannan maganan ni zaka tafi ba ni kake gaya ma ƙarya ne ina gaya ma zaka tafi kana ganin kaman wasa ne ina gaya ma zan wullar da kai kana gaya mun ƙarya ne ni kake gaya mu wallahi sai ka je ka huta wallahi tallahi ni zaka gaya mu wannan ina gaya ma kana ganin kaman ƙarya ne nan kashe sun fi 1000 ana gaya mun maganan banza robi kana gaya min ina latse ma yarinya. Ka je ka huta ba ruwana. Kana manta hu kawai. Yaron kan samu kawai tunda wannan na riga na
Where you? Hey, come here, the canty anyhow. The enemy have you. The enemy have you. No, you come here, canty. You don't do. I go enter the. You don't do the. I go enter the. No Zugi. No Zugi. Who the misstand to who? Who the guy the man? What's your guy? No, they can't see. They can't see. They see me. They see. They see me. They can't see. They can't see. Guy up and now. What you expect? They can't see. They can't see. Emmy. Ima. Willy Wonka, yeah. Nothing will happen to you. You'll be fine and we'll all go back to school again. Okay? One thing I promise you, nothing will happen to you, Emmy. Just be strong.
My G, don't worry. Everything will be fine. Sure.
Jeff. Yes, I'm here. Jeff. I'm here, Emmy. I'm here. You made the right decision. By quitting drugs, by quitting taking drugs, you made the right decision. By quitting being drug addicts. Kola, I'm sorry if you can stop. I'm sorry if you can stop that. We will be good students. We will graduate out in flying colors.
Amen.
If I had stopped, I wouldn't have been in this condition. Please, Kola, I beg you to stop. I don't know if I'm gonna make it out from here.
Stop talking like this now.
Promise me. Promise me, Jeff. Kola, promise me. If I don't come out from here successfully, promise you're going to pay attention to your studies. Promise you're going to value your education. Because that is the only legacy we owe to our parents and to the society out there. Promise me.
Promise. Why are you talking like this? The doctor just told us that they've contacted your parents and they are on their way coming here.
Yes.
Eh? Why are you talking like this? Calm down, my guy. Eh? Everything will be fine.
Go back to school again. Emmy, please. Don't worry, you'll be fine. My parents will soon be here, please. Okay? Fine, please. Just be strong. You're fine. Come on, Emmy, no. Emmy, we are here. We are here, Emmy.
Emmy. Jeff, get the doctor. Doctor. Emmy, calm down. Stay with me, please. Calm down. Emmy, calm down. Emmy. Ima.
So now you?
Namina.
For this community?
Nami, I tell the one you see. Say I go see your end. Today now, I ain't with this.
I go soon come back.
You come back. Wait there for jail. You want fly or disappear. Tell me.
No problem. If I tell you the people were there behind me for here, you go not say now, I go soon come back. I go make sure say when I come back this time, I go solve you once and for all.
If you come, you go meet them back again now. I think I got this. Don't worry about. By the time they hang you, if they hang you back, or there, this your fatness, you go reduce. After that, you go to NDLA, you go face you. See ba, there you go drill you back.
My guys go come out me, nothing they happen.
What again? You should go back there. What again? Go back. So see, now there be a bedroom. Now there, follow. Now there be your life.
Me.
When
I come back, me and you gonna
Sabotage, all because of drug abuse today. Peer pressure, poverty, frustration has pushed people into drug abuse. Peer pressure, poverty, frustration has pushed people into drug abuse. Less than fair to fight against drug abuse. Less than fair to fight against drug abuse. It destroys our families, it costs us violence, it leads to early grave. It destroys our families, it causes violence, it leads to early grave. Less than fair to fight against drug abuse today. Less than fair to fight against drug abuse today. Less than fair to fight against drug abuse today. Less than fair to fight against drug abuse today. Some people are dying in a society today. Destinies has been sabotaged, all because of drug abuse today. Peer pressure, poverty, frustration has pushed people into drug abuse. Peer pressure, poverty, frustration has pushed people into drug abuse. Less than fair too far. I can't struggle you today. Less than fade. Too far. I can't struggle you. It destroys our families. It causes violence. It leads to early grave. It makes you nuisance. It makes you fall.